Okay guys, so Restore Physical Therapy Center, we've been waiting for several weeks to get approval through the city on this new driveway approach. And then of course, anytime you're tying into a Texas highway, you've also got to get approval through the Texas Department of Transportation. So we finally got both of those to sign off on it. We got out here this week, got busy, put in this brand new approach, which gives a much wider entryway off at Texas Boulevard, so you can get 2 lanes of traffic to come in and out of this physical therapy center from Texas Boulevard. Now they've got the owner's got to get a landscape guy in, comb all this dirt down, run a new irrigation system, and get ready for landscaping. But we are just about done with the outside of the house. As you can see in the background, we're getting a front door put on. We've got our parking lot striped. So the next thing, once that door is installed, we'll have Gary Williams come stain out that cedar siding that's been applied to it. And we're gonna hang some new gutters. And then on the interior, we've got electricians working. Painters are just about finished with the inside of it. And we'll give you guys some video footage of that interior and let you take a look. I would say we're probably in the neighborhood of 3 weeks from being complete on it.